This is where we are. That's where we were. That trail. We came down and we came up here. Nice little climb. The views are still the same. That's what Al thought of the climb. A lot of mountains. And now we're going to walk downhill and walk uphill to another mountain. Gotta love it. This would have been a nice shelter to sleep at. Look at the views. It's called the barn. Look at all that space. And they got it upstairs.
You can boil after me with your water. That's kind of how it goes, man.
And those are the three clowns we've been hiking with. Say hey. Say hey to the camera.
Hey! Hello!
You want to say hi to your family and friends?
Hi, family and friends.
Not that they'll watch the YouTube video. Hey, they're doing great.
Thanks for making me peanut butter and jellies.
They're pushing us, yeah. And he did give you kudos, Mom, for laminating something.
That's right.
He took a ration from some teenagers for it. Well, nice little climb. And that's the barn that the shelter that I was just at. Had lunch.
I really hope it's doing a time lapse. It's literally recording because I can't do it. Good, I want them to see. So, put your foot on Bill's shoulder and then grab my hand. Oh, well, actually, there's so many handholds that are better than everybody's going to be up there. It's awesome. Yeah. And it'll be a story because remember how there is a little bit of a foot. There's a little knob about 2 feet above the. How about that? Come on, meatball. I don't think I can. You can.
Those hikers are where I've been. They're coming up the hill. It's a heck of a climb, folks. And I've still got, I don't know, another 100 feet or so of climbs to the hill. Hopefully it's over.
Good on you, Stan.
Where'd you guys come from?
Just from the...
Now this is a nice trail. Oh, a lot of climbs though. Yay!
I understand it from some.
Well, we're at 19E.
Women who feel uncomfortable and have kind of that.
And we didn't get a burger and a bear, but we got a dog and a bear with fries.
Bringing a dog.
And we're still with our hiking partners, minus Mitch.
And then had eyes on the Carver's Gap and up from the barn. So we
Mitch didn't make it.
and we came through here, went to Black Bear Lodge, and
Who? Fish and chips.
they took him in.
Not even close, you know.
Well, guys, we're going to end the day. Al and I had a good hike today, probably 16 and a half miles, and we had some good climbs. I would like to thank Mitch, Gary, and Chris. Those are the three guys that were hiking with us the last couple days, and we was eating lunch. I was eating lunch with them at the barn. They're section hikers, and they're hiked a section, but they're very supportive of through hikers, and they'd like to do a through hike. In fact, Chris and Mitch are longtime friends like Al and I. They met in college over 20 years ago, so they're looking forward to. In fact, they. I'm going to hold both them to it, but they made a pact to hike the AT like Al and I did. So anyway, we had a good time. Al and I are enjoying some adult beverages and some food, and we'll see you on down the line. Stay safe.